everybody. My magnificent lady, I would like to introduce her, Linda. I wrote a book called You're Amazing and I'll Prove It. You can learn from anywhere, absolutely anywhere. I want to show you tonight how the book came about. What happened in my life to make me write this book, and then what caused me to actually sit down and start writing. All of us are going through time together, every last one of us. And something happens to you in order to make you who you are. And as you go through, things change, and you see things a little bit differently. So I want to show you how I made my decisions back when I was born, back when I was 11 years old, back when I was 19 years old, and now, nobody's allowed to laugh at this, now that I'm 60. When something happens to you, it doesn't necessarily happen to anybody else. So you got to kind of show them what's going on. These are the three main questions that influenced me writing this book. One, which one of these trees is better? The other is, how do you feel about this boy who shows up at the courts, gets on a team, puts his hands in his pockets, and then walks up and down while everybody else plays? The third and last question is, how do you feel about a student who does first grade work in 5th grade and they're supposed to be in 7th? I asked God to give me a way that I could show people how incredible they are. Absolutely amazing. Every last one of you is absolutely amazing. And I'm here tonight to prove it.